Welcome to Let's Know the Botany, the information series. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Myself, Dr. Sujit Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, SBR College, Mhaswad, Taluka Man, District Satara. Today we are going to discuss about genetic code. The genetic code is nothing but it is a set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material, either DNA or RNA sequences, which is translated in proteins by living cells. Genetic code is a dictionary consists of genetic words called as codons. As far as the history of genetic words is concerned, George Gamow postulated that a 3-letter code must be employed to encode 20 standard amino acids used by living organisms to encode a protein. First elucidation of codon was done by Marshall Nirenberg and Heinrich Matthey in 1961. Both they used cell-free system to translate a polyuracil sequence, and as a result, polypeptide synthesized consisted of only amino acid, that is phenylalanine. Similarly, another experiment confirmed that polyadenine RNA sequence specified the amino acid lysine and polycystosine sequence coded for amino acid proline. So this is the diagram of different amino acids coded by different codons. At first you may observe phenylalanine is coded by codons UUU and UUC. Likewise, different amino acids they have been coded by different codons. As far as genetic code is concerned, it has a sequence reading frame. For example, if a string AAA, GGG, CCC, if it is read from first position, it contains the codons AAA, GGG, CCC. But instead, if it read from second position, the codons will be AAG, GGC, that is totally different codons from the first one. Genetic code has a start and stop codons. Start codon is generally AUG, as well as some alternative start codons are there like GUG or UUG. These three codons only able to start a particular chain. Stop codons include UAG, UGA and UAA. Genetic code is continuous and non-overlapping. Another important aspect of genetic code is universal. That is, it do not observe in other species. It is universal. Genetic code is degenerate. As far as degeneracy is concerned, the degeneracy of code is not uniform. Degeneracy results because there are more codons to encode 20 amino acids. This property of genetic code makes it more fault tolerant for point mutation. Codon or anticodon recognition involves wobbling. In the figure, you may observe that at 5' end of anticodon that binds to 3' base of the mRNA was not spatially confined as like other two bases, and does have non-standard base pairing. The significance of genetic code are, we can say, genetic code tells how protein sequence information is stored in nucleic acids and how that information is translated into the proteins. As far as variations in genetic codes are concerned, in certain proteins, non-standard amino acids are substituted for standard stop codon depending on associated signal sequence in mRNA. For example, UGA can be code for selenocysteine, now viewed as a 21st amino acid, and UAG can code for pyrrolysine, viewed as 22nd amino acid. Genetic code is universal except few mitochondrial codes and small variants such as translation of codon UGA as tryptophan in the species Mycoplasma and translation of CUG as serine rather than leucine in the genus Candida. In bacteria and archaea, GUG and UUG are common start codons, but in rare cases, certain proteins may use alternative start codons not normally used by that particular species. So concludingly, we can say that despite these differences, all known species codes are very similar to each other and the coding mechanism is the same for all organisms. Likewise, 3 base codons are there, tRNA must be there, ribosomes are there, reading the code in same direction and translating the code 3 letters at a time into the sequence of amino acids. So this is all about genetic code. Thank you very much.